Got this whole hog prepped, injected, seasoned, looking pretty. We're just waiting for the pit to come up to temp, and we'll put this bad boy on. See you in the morning. Get up here and take a look at this hog and see the finished product inside the cooker. It's a beaut, Clark. And that's the finished product. Well, that's all that's left of the whole hog. They pretty much demolished it in a couple of hours.
But I'm gonna load